aka says meeting Winnie Mandela was one of the biggest honors of his life. In 2016, musician aka met Winnie Madikizela-Mandela and has described the moment as one of the biggest honors in his life. AKA was at Ma Winnie's house to accompany her to her local voting station during the municipal elections. The rapper, who is a firm supporter of the ANC, posted pictures of the outing on social media at the time. It was on Monday confirmed that Ma Winnie had died at a Johannesburg hospital surrounded by loved ones earlier in the day. The struggle stalwart, who was 81, had been in and out of hospital since the beginning of the year. Tributes for Ma Winnie have been pouring in from around the world, as her sacrifice and battle to defeat apartheid was remembered. A video of AKA's meeting with Ma Winnie in 2016 has again emerged. The expression on her face when she met the musician is everything.